Hello, this is Kent Rush, and this is some dumb project I've created. I've created an autoencoder to be used on the MNIST fashion data, which is a collection of 60,000 28 by 28 pixelated grayscale images of shoes, shirts, pants, dresses, and sandals, and assorted fashion items. I've trained a autoencoding neural network using TensorFlow and Keras. And using I've used the autoencoder to compress all these images down to a 20-dimensional latent space, and oh man, so many things. And then taken this data space and using principal component analysis, broken it up into orthonormal basis vectors, which I've mapped to these sliders here on the right. This is a Python Qt5 GUI window with a matplotlib display in it, and so here's kind of what it comes up with. This is what the principal component analysis has determined to be the most significant variable. So if we change it, we can see that on the far right it shows this variable basically determines whether it's a shirt or a shoe. You can kind of see this like a shoe-like shape. You can kind of see like a little heel right there. If we move the second slider, this one's also very interesting, I think, because this one's it's kind of a little shirt superimposed on top of it, but you can kind of see this is kind of a shoe-like shape on top of a pant-like shape. And this is likely an artifact of the fact that I only give it a 20-dimensional latent space, so it kind of has to be clever with some of its variables in order to actually encode all the information we're giving it. And as you can see, as you start moving down, it becomes less obvious what it does. It's mostly just kind of superimposing carefully curated noise on top of the image. If you go down to the very bottom one, it's just kind of a little fuzz fiddling around. But yeah, so I just wanted to show everyone what this was about. If I was going to improve this, I would probably train the autoencoder to specifically focus on individual items of fashion like shoes or shirts, and we'd probably get more interesting results, because I believe autoencoders tend to work better when the information you're feeding it is more consistent, and I'm asking it to span not only the spaces within each category, like I'm not only asking it to do just shoes, I'm asking it to do shoes, shirts, pants, and etc. So if I were to narrow down the data set I give it to just shoes or just pants or just shirts, I'm sure it would do much more impressive results, but these first two sliders I find very impressive. So thank you for watching. No idea why I'm recording this. Hasta luego!